volleyball tayo.
Ganyan,
Volleyball?
kasi.
Ganito?
Ay! Sipin.
Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Before we start, Mira, can you lead our prayer?
Let us pray. God is good, God is great. Thank you, God, for this day. Amen.
Amen. Okay. Before you sit down, clean up your surroundings and make sure that your things are in proper place.
Tapos natin ito. May alas natin ito. Huwag sagad. Huwag sagad kasi malapit.
Okay. Okay, very good. Who is absent for today?
Wala po.
Galing naman nila. Do you remember our last topic? Our previous topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Ano yung mga yon? Sinong nakaka-remember?
Ma'am,
Cyril?
materials that absorb water.
Very good. One of our previous topic is materials that absorb water. Anyone? Aside from materials that absorb water, anyone? Another? Almira?
Porous and non-porous.
Yes, very good. It is also connected in materials that absorb water. Very good, Almira. Another one? Alex?
Ma'am, solid liquid gas.
Yes. Pinag-aralan din natin ang solid liquid gas. Pero tignan nga natin kung talagang natatandaan nyo. I have a pictures here, pictures of materials. You will going to identify whether it is solid, liquid, or gas. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
For the first material, anyone? Alex?
Gas po.
Hot air balloon is gas. Tama ba siya, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For the next picture is, ito.
Juice.
Raise your hand. Wesley?
Liquid po.
Liquid. So, the orange juice is liquid. For the third picture, Almira,
Liquid po.
the soup is
Liquid.
liquid. Okay, very good. For the next picture, Florine,
Solid po.
the table is
Solid.
solid. Very good. And then, for the next picture, the air you breathe. Solid, liquid, gas. Cyril?
Gas po.
Gas. Very good. And for the last picture, Eliza?
Solid po.
The pencil is
Solid.
solid. Very good. Natatandaan nyo ang ating pinag-aralan. How about our previous topic yesterday? Yung yesterday naman. Ano yung topic natin kahapon? Materials that absorb water. Ngayon, for our part of the review of the materials that absorb water, you are going to group or classify the materials that absorb water. Pinag-aralan natin ito kahapon, so I hope natatandaan nyo. No? For the first picture, Florime.
Didikit ko, ma'am.
Yes, you will tell your classmate what is the picture, and then i-identify mo kung materials that absorb water or cannot absorb.
Towel.
Asan siya kabilang?
Ma'am, it can absorb water.
Tama ba siya, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Palakpakan niyo yung classmate nyo. For the second picture, Alex. Sabihin mo kung anong material and then i-identify mo siya.
Paper po.
Saan siya kabilang?
Dito po.
Materials that absorb water. Tama. For the third picture, Eliza. Identify mo and then sabihin mo kung saan siya kabilang.
Ma'am, popsicle stick po.
O saan siya kasama.
Dito po.
Materials that
Cannot absorb water.
Okay, very good. For the fourth picture, Wesley,
Cotton balls po.
saan siya kasama?
Materials that absorb water.
Tama ba siya, class?
Opo!
Alex and Eliza, listen to your classmates.
Hoy, makinig daw kayo.
For the fifth picture, Cyril.
Hindi niya pa kinilay.
Pebbles.
Ah!
Saan siya kasama?
Cannot absorb water.
For the number 6 picture, Almira.
Socks po.
Saan siya kabilang?
Sa materials that absorb water.
Okay.
Feeling ko.
Number 7, Florrie May again.
Sponge po. Sponge can absorb water.
Very good. Sponge can absorb water.
Water.
Oh, for the next picture and last, Alex again.
Tennis ball po.
Oh, saan siya kasama?
Materials that cannot absorb water.
Okay, very good. And now, talagang naiintindihan nyo na ang ating topic kahapon. Materials that absorb water and materials that cannot absorb water. Very good. From this box, meron ba kayong idea kung ano yung gagawin natin ngayon?
Opo.
Ano?
Ma'am, yung parang nasa vlog po may kinukudkod.
Mark? Okay, very good. Galing naman ni Junjun. From this game, it's called What's Inside the Box. I will place different objects here, and each one of you will given a chance to guess what's inside the box. Yon. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am!
Okay, sino ang mauuna?
Cyril po.
O, Cyril, ikaw ang
Ikaw
mauuna.
na.
Before you guess the object, you will give 3 characteristics about the material. Before you guess the answer. Okay? Okay. Dito ka sa harap.
Laway pa
Noisy.
Noisy. First ka na to?
Soft.
Yes, soft.
And small.
So what is the material?
Candy wrapper.
Oh, very good. Candy wrapper.
Marshmallow.
For the next, sinong nahuhula? Alexa?
Ako ni Wes.
Critic copy.
Okay.
No!
Malambot?
Matigas.
Yung bilog.
Okay, yung bilog.
Tapos,
Matamis.
Matamis ba siya? Natitikman ba?
hindi po. Smooth.
Okay. So what is the object?
Mambola.
Bola. Tama kaya siya, class?
Opo.
You can Very good. It is a ball. For the third object, Alex. Okay. You can insert your hand na.
Brittle po.
First characteristic is brittle. Second,
Manikis.
manipis.
Magaan.
Magaan. Saan na kaya yan?
Styrofoam.
Styrofoam. Very good. For the fourth picture, Almira.
Hindi sarili.
Okay, Almira.
Long po.
Long.
Hard.
Hard.
Payat.
Payat. So, what is the
Pencil
material? Pencil. Very good. Pencil. Galing naman nila. From this object, ano sa tingin niyo ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon? Connected siya sa previous topic natin kahapon. It is called materials that float and
Sing.
Very good. Our topic for today is materials that float and sing. I guess you have an idea about our topic. So, for the first keyword, which is the float, float means to stay on top of water. Ibig sabihin nun?
Lumulutang.
Lumulutang. Second, the sink means to fall to the bottom of water. Ibig sabihin? Lumulubog. So when we say float,
Lumulutang po.
when
Lumulubog.
Very good. So today we are going to experiment. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Gusto niyo mag-experiment?
Opo.
Okay, so first I will group you into two. Count 1 and 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
For the group 1, magsama-sama kayo dito. And for the group 2, here.
Excuse me po.
Bukod po.
Kami.
Di ba man pa?
So magkakasama na ba yung group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
So ang group 1 is Almira, Weslyn, and
Alex.
Alex. For the group 2,
Eliza.
Eliza, Cyril, and Flory May. Before we start your group activity, like we always do, i-discuss natin ang group work rule. So alam nyo naman na to. It's just a reminder. For the first rule, assign jobs. I'll do the first one, you do the next. So, lahat kayo dapat may part sa group activity. Number 2, ask your group mates' opinion. What do you think? So, collaborate. Learn from each other. Number 3, take turns answering. So, hindi lang isa yung nagsusulat o gumagawa ng activity. Number 4, like connected to number 3, work together. And then number 5, if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Malinaw ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ito yung chart na ibibigay ko sa inyo. And before that pala, you need to think your group name and short chat. Bago tayo mag-start. Pampagana, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dito sa chart nyo, meron tayong criteria for scoring. 20% for creativity. So, dapat creative yung drawing nyo. And then, neatness is 20%. Behavior during group work, which is connected dito sa rules natin, 20%. The correctness of your experiment, 20% with a total of 100%. And then, twist pala, yung ka-group nyo, yung kabilang group ang mag-grade sa inyo. So, dapat galingan nyo. Okay ba? The group 1 will grade the output of group 2 and the group 2 will grade the output of group 1. Clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so, ito na yung inyong materials. Habang nag-iisip kayo ng chant nyo. Are you ready now? Whether you're ready or not, you will need to present your chant. For the first group, group 2 daw muna.
Dapat po 1 kasi pag nag-count po 1.
They are not prepared, so group 2 is your, class points.
Yes.
Sige na kalay. Prepare na sila.
So we are the
Settle down, group 1, listen to group 2.
So we are the group 2 and now we are the team Meow Meow.
Team Meow Meow, let's give them a hand of applause.
So they are my group mates, Cyril, Eliza, and me, Flory. So 1, 2, 3, go. My Salay, Meow Salay, Meow Meow Meow.
Team Meow Meow. For the group 1. Group 1, are you ready?
Sa dulo ako para aw-aw.
Okay, are you ready? Group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Almira, introduce your group mates.
We are the group 1 po. Wesley, Alex, and me po.
Okay, begin.
1, 2, 3, go.
A. A. W.
Ow! 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 Ow!
They are the group. Yung pala yung ganun na. For the group 1 and group 2. Did you bring your art materials?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
These are your materials. There yung bottled water, plastic cap, candy wrapper, piece of wood, rubber ball, pencil, metal spoon, stone, styrofoam, and aluminum foil. Now, you will classify each material, whether they float or sink. And after that, you will going to present your chart and answer this following question. So habang nag-experiment kayo, dapat i-consider nyo na itong mga question na ito. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Put the materials one by one to the basin full of water. For example, this bottle. Ilalagay nyo to na may kasamang cup. Titignan nyo kung lulutang or lulubog. And then, number 2, tatanggalin nyo naman yung takip. And then you will observe whether it will float or sink. Okay ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Float. Ang nag-sink lang is yung kutsara and stone. I one by one.
Kasama ba to?
Swallow.
Bakit na ganito lang?
Okay, let's first try on the bottle.
Hoy, brown nga, be.
Oh my...
It's the stone. Anong kulay ng stone?
Brown.
Hindi gray?
Brown nga. Hindi ko kuluanin mo yun ng colorful. Parang yung ginawa ni Anay nung...
Testing natin ito guys.
Ano ba bang dash float? Bola! Anong pang color sa bola?
Throw yun yung... Ano kayong bahay?
Lumulutang yung kutsara na disposable.
Ala, ba?
Yung kutsara na naman yun.
Ate, ba't ito lubo-lubo?
Utang yan.
Nalalagyan kasi ng water.
Eto. Ma'am, pag may tubig na sa soup, ilalagay mo doon.
Oo, i-indicate nyo kung may laman siyang water or wala.
Blue water.
Ma'am, paano po yung yung mga nasa, kumbaga yung nasa kalagitnaan?
Na nag-float pa sa akin. Yes, nasa gitna. Indicate mo yung nasa gitna. Sa may anong gagawin mo doon? Kalimutan ko palang maglagay ng
Higa, ito oh.
Nag-brown kayo dyan.
So, are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to present your output in front of your classmates?
Yes, ma'am.
Sinong gustong mauna? Group Aw or Group Meow Meow?
Group out po.
O, Group Aw? Since sila yung nauna kanina, kayo naman ang mauuna ngayon.
Ma'am, wala po si Wes. Pinatawag po may meeting po sila sa SO class.
Yes, nagpaalam na yung advisor ng yes po kanina. Okay? Kayo na lang dalawa ang mag-present. Okay, start?
Sa materials that floats po is
Kahoy po. Styrofoam. Ball. Cup. Pencil. Foil. Candy wrapper. Battery po na.
bakit po na may catch?
How about on the materials that sink?
Ma'am, kutsara po. At saka stone.
Okay. So let us answer the process question. What did you observe when you place the materials one at a time in water?
Pag magaan po yung nilalagay sa water, lumulutang po. Kapag pumabigat yung nilalagay namin sa water, lumulubog po.
Very good. And then again, ano yung mga materials na lumubog?
Ma'am, yung metal spoon and yung stone.
Okay. So, pansinin niyo yung mga materials na nandun sa may, that belong to the materials that float. Compare them. Ano yung mga pagkakapareho nila? Sa materials na lumutang.
tsaka po dito sa lubog.
Sa mga lumutang lang, ano yung mga pagkakapareho ng mga materials na lumutang?
Magagaan po.
Look at the group of objects that sank. What can you say about them?
Mga mabibigat po.
Okay, how about the pictures in the middle naman? Ba't may nasa gitna?
Halfway lang po siya nung nung inalis po namin yung cup. Ay, yung takip po ng bottle.
Okay, very good. Palakpakan natin sila. Next presenter is the group Meow.
Two. So based on our experiment, the materials that float are pencil, ball, the plastic bottle with cup, styrofoam, foil, piece of wood, and candy wrapper.
How about the materials that sank?
The metallic spoon, the stone,
How about ano yung mga drawing nyo sa gitna?
Ma'am, based on our observation po, kasi when we remove the takip of bottle, nasa halfway lang po siya. And ganun din po dun sa may plastic cup, nung una po nag-float, tapos nung nalagyan po ng water is nagsak.
Yes, very good. I guess you can answer this question. What did you observe when you placed the materials one at a time in water?
So we observe po na yung iba lumutang, yung iba is lumobo. Based po dun sa bigat at saka gaan po ng mga materials.
So, nasabi niyo na kanina kung ano yung lumubog at yung lumutang. Ano yung common dito sa materials that float? Common sa mga common characteristic nila.
Sila po is mga magagaan po.
How about the materials that sank?
Mabigat.
Yes, very good. Palakpakan natin sila. Okay, you can sit down now. So, tingin nyo, sino ang mas mataas ang score? Group 1 or Group 2?
Group 1!
Okay, tingnan natin mamaya. Tingnan natin mamaya yan based on the criteria. So, mukhang madali nyo lang masasagutan itong ating activity. You will identify these following materials, whether it will float or sink. Okay? For the first material, pencil. Eliza?
Ma'am, float po.
Tama ba siya, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How about the coin? Almira?
Magsisink po.
Kasi?
Mabigat po.
Okay, very good. Mabigat ang coins, kaya magsisink. How about the marbles?
Ma'am,
Alex?
magsisink po.
Magsisink din siya.
Magsisink kasi wala silang
Okay. How about the bottled water? With water, ha? Bottled water.
With water.
Floris?
Ma'am, magsisink po siya. Gaya po ng experiment.
Nakalubog pa siya sa bottom?
Hindi po, andun lang, medyo lang.
Okay, very good. The eraser. Ariel?
Magsisink po, ma'am.
Magsisink siya. Dahil?
Wala po siyang lagay ng oxygen lang sa loob ng eraser.
Very good. Nag-a-advance reading ang inyong classmate.
Kabog.
How about the stone? Almira?
Magsisink po.
Dahil? Mabigat siya. The stone will shine. How about the toy boat? Eliza?
Ma'am, lumulutang po.
Lumulutong ang toy boat. Yes, very good. How about the rubber ball? Alex?
Ma'am, mag-float po.
Mag-float ang rubber boat based on our experiment. Very good. And then, soccer ball. Ay, tama. Soccer ball. How about soccer ball? Lulutang kaya siya o lulubog? Almira?
Mag-float po.
Katulad no?
Rubber ball.
Rubber boat. How about the rubber duck?
Ma'am. Mag-float po siya, ma'am. Kasi tinry ko po siya dun sa bathtub namin and nag-float po siya.
Okay, may bathtub sila. Very good. Nag-a-advance reading si Cyril. Nagtatry pa siya ng rubber duck sa bathtub. Very good naman. Okay, now you can easily identify the materials, whether it will float or sink. Oh, now I will show you some pictures. give me your thoughts or opinion about these pictures, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
For the first picture, nakikita nyo?
Yes, ma'am.
May mga
Life best po.
may mga
Tao po.
pretty girls na nakasuot ng
Life best.
Okay, for the second picture.
Yan.
No, that's sheep.
Sheep.
Okay. Alex, ang yacht is smaller, mas maliit na ship. Yes, it is a ship. Malaking yes. For the third picture,
Bata pong naka-rubber boat.
nasan sila? Nasa
Dagat po.
From these pictures, ano yung nakikita nyong, napapansin yung common sa kanila?
Mga nakalutang po.
Nakalutang sila. Paano sila lumulutang? Lumilutang ba ang tao?
Hindi po.
Pag marunong pong lumangoy, ma'am.
Yes, pag marunong lumangoy, lumulutang. Pero based dito sa pictures, ano yung common sa
Ma'am.
kanila? Alex?
Ma'am, may life vest po sila. May rubber boot.
Okay. So, life vest, we use life vest and rubber boat to be able to float. Okay? So, lumalangoy ba kayo sa dagat?
Opo.
Ginagamit niyo ba yung mga yan?
Opo.
Hindi po.
Bakit, Flory?
Kasi po marunong po akong lumangoy.
Oh, sana all marunong lumangoy. Very good.
Naon.
So, gumagamit tayo ng life vest tsaka ng rubber boat para hindi tayo malunod.
Opo.
Okay, very good. Sum it up. The materials that sink means
To fall to the bottom of water.
okay, very good. How about the materials that float?
Means to stay on top of water.
Let us all read.
Some things float on the top of water. Some things stay submerged partway down, and some things sink.
Oh, based on your observation, ano yung mga materials that float?
Bottle water po with cup.
And
Styrofoam pa.
yes,
Piece of
wrapper po.
okay, piece of wood. Ano naman yung materials that stay submerged partway?
Yung bottled water po na mayroong takip. Ay, wala pong takip.
Yes, very good. Another one? Meron ba, Alex?
Spoon po.
Ay, yung nag-submerge partway, cup. Yung cup. Yung materials that sank, yun yung?
Spoon po.
Yes, very good. Ano ba yung mga nag-sank? Stone, yes. Second bullet.
Some things sink very fast and some things sink very slowly.
Okay. Ano?
An
Object shape can affect its ability to float, but some materials float no matter what their shape, such as styrofoam and balsa wood.
For the fourth.
Some things float at first, but then sink as they absorb water or take water on.
So, saan sinasabi dito, may mga una is lumulutang. Ano yung mga yon? And then lulubog siya kapag naka-absorb ng water or magsa-submerge partway. Yun yung bottled water
without cup.
yes, without cup. Very good. Okay guys, for our last activity, may energy pa ba kayo?
Yes, ma'am!
Tayo nga kayo? Let's play Hep Hep Hooray!
Yay!
When you say Hep Hep, when you say hooray!
Hooray!
Short short energizer. 1, 2, 3, go. Hep hep. Hooray. Hooray. Hep hep. Hep hep. Alex, Almira, and Flory, you will stay. Out na silang dalawa. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Hep hep. Hooray. Hooray. Hep hep. Hep hep. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Okay, oh. Sino kayang mananalo dito? 1, 2, 3, go. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hep. Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hooray. Complete. Oh, hep. Okay. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hooray. Hep, hep. Okay. Ang nanalo is Alex. So, may prize sa akin mamaya. Okay, you may sit down now. For our last activity, classify the materials according to whether they will float, whether they float or sink in the body of water. So, ano nakikita nyo?
Tubig po.
Okay. So, bibigyan ko kayo. I will give you a picture and you will going to classify whether it is float or sink. Kapag float, dito nyo sa ilalagay. Kapag sink, dito nyo ilalagay. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alam niyo na yung sagot?
Yes, ma'am.
Gusto mo na.
Ma'am.
Cyril po. Okay, Cyril. Okay, Cyril.
The first material po is yung hollow block and nagsisink po siya.
Very good.
And next is yung sunglass and nagsisink din po siya.
Very good. Halap ka natin ng classmate nyo. Sinong gustong sumunod? Eliza. First material, the first object, steel. Saan siya kabilang? Sa float or sink? Okay. And then,
Plastic roof.
Nasa wala yung bagay.
Plastic roof!
okay, Eliza. Na?
Plastic roof.
Saan siya kabilang? Okay, very good. Next one, Alex. Okay.
Ma'am, bamboo chair po.
Ma'am, sa float or sink?
Float po.
And then next,
Ma'am, sa may sink po. Crystal vase.
dahil mabigat siya. Next, Flory.
Rubber ball po. It will float.
And then next,
Metal spoon and fork. It will sink.
okay, very good. Last, Almira.
First material po is yung basket. Dito po siya sa float.
Okay.
Second material po is yung eraser. Dito po siya sa sink.
Yes, very good. So the materials that will float are basket, plastic roof, bamboo chair, rubber ball. And then for the materials that will sink,
Crystal vase, hollow blocks, metal spoon and fork, sunglass, steel eraser.
so pag pumunta ba kayo sa dagat, may mga nakikita kayong mga basura?
Opo.
Nakakita kayo ng materials na lumulutang?
Opo.
Anong ginagawa nyo?
Pinupulot po.
Ay, ang gagaling naman nila. Pag pinulot nyo, saan nyo ilalagay?
Sa tamang tapunan po.
Ano yung tamang tapunan naman natin?
Basurahan.
Basurahan. Ano yung ikiklasa ba natin siya o hindi? Isa-segregate ba?
Segregate.
Ano yung segregation
Nabubulok, di nabubulok, recycle.
Very good. Kagaling naman. For your assignment, you will pupunta kayo sa kitchen nyo at kukuha kayo ng 5 different objects. You will classify it whether it will float or sink. May naintindihan ba ang lesson ngayon, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Any more question, guys? Excuse me po. Oh, your classmate is back. Wesley, you may take your seat. Kamusta yung meeting nyo?
Ayos lang naman po, ma'am. Napag-usapan po yung tungkol sa mga basurahan dito sa ating paaralan.
And then,
Sa segregation po.
very good related sa topic natin kanina. Oh, any more question?
Ma'am,
Flory?
sino pong nanalo kanina dun sa sa experiment po?
Okay, very good question. Nasasabihin ko na kung sinong nanalo ngayon. Based sa ginrade ko sa inyo at ginrade ng kaklase nyo sa inyo, ang nanalo ay ang group 1! Ang group 1! Bigyan natin sila ng power clap! 1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, power!
Galit ng group niya. Oh, any more question?
Ma'am,
Cyril?
same pa rin po ba yung rubrics po sa finals?
yung rubric sa final project nyo. Yes, same pa rin. Ginagawa nyo na ba yung final project nyo? Hindi pa po.
Yes, half po.
Dapat start nyo nang gawin para kapag sa dulo hindi kayo mag-cramming. Okay. Any more question?
Ma'am,
Flory?
wala po si Wesley kanina sa ibang ginawa natin. Sino po magdi-discuss sa kanya ng mga lanis na
Okay, for Wesley's sake, I will give her take-home activity. Anong sasabit niya bukas? Okay ba yun?
Ngayon po.
Okay. O, natatandaan niyo ulit yung assignment yung gagawin niyo bukas. Ano nga yun?
Pupunta po kami sa kitchen na.
And then?
Maghahanap po kami ng
Five
mga
objects.
5 objects.
Yes.
I-define po namin if it
Float?
float or
sink. Yes, very good. Galing mga estudyante ko. For our ending prayer, Cyril, can you lead our prayer?
Let's bow our head. Jesus, thank you po sa pinag-aralan namin ngayong araw. And sana po hindi namin ito makalimutan sa aming pag-uwi. Ito lang po ang aming dalangin. Amen!
Amen. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am! Goodbye, classmates! Thank you for the day!